So wherever there is a bend, the inside of the curve, which is slow, and the outside is fast. Okay? So when we're talking slow and fast, this is in flood. So clear out to these dashed lines. The slow side, wherever it slows down just enough, is where the gold will start to fall out and deposit. It's going to sift through the material as it's tumbling down the stream and deposit itself as close to bedrock or a false bedrock, if it's clay or a concreted material. It'll sit on top of whatever it can't move through during those high flows. So what you're going to be looking for are these little bends. And then primarily where you're going to start working is on the leading edge as well as through the trailing edge of these bends. So this area, this area, this area, and this area. And what you're going to want to do is start sampling across these in a fashion that finds that streak, that line. If you go down and you're not following the right area, you can be within a foot of a really serious concentration of gold and you won't find it, typically 3 feet. You'll oftentimes find colors, a few flakes of gold in your pan, but you won't find any serious amounts. But if you go crosswise, and we'll talk about that later in sampling, then you can start finding where the gold is. So this is the thing you want to watch for, is these bends, and basically you want to go and find these areas and start working them. And I'll have more on that later about how you can identify where the bends are, which ones are the best looking bends, and what anomalies in the stream bed might trap gold. More on that later. Hey, it's Prospector Jess here. If you want more videos like this, make sure you go on over to huntingforgold.com. That's hunting4gold.com, where we have additional videos for you only available on huntingforgold.com's site. Check it out, and good prospecting.